Welcome back, everyone. We are headed to Cars and Coffee for today. Meeting up with our friend Jared, going in his Miata. This is the biggest Cars and Coffee event in Texas, possibly one of the bigger ones in the country. So this will be exciting. This is the second one. The first ever Cars and Coffee Texas event was last month. Before, it was called Cars and Coffee Southlake. But now it's broadened to all of Texas, so this should be fun. We have people coming from all across the Metroplex and maybe possibly from other cities like Houston, Austin. There he is. Yo. Top down. Oh. Rad. What's up, dude?
Hello? Okay. You might need to GPS it as we get closer.
Yeah. Well, I know where Voice Relay is.
You know where what?
I know where it is.
When was the last time you went to Cars and Coffee?
Dude, I think the last time I went was maybe like 3 months ago. It was before Cars and Coffee Texas.
Oh, before they joined?
Yeah.
Dude, the last one was crazy. And the fact that it was hot too. Like, there were people that had to miss out because it was hot and it was still so many people.
What the fuck? That was at that was at the normal venue that's usually at, but now I think this was the first one at Motor Speedway.
Well, I went to they had one at Texas Motor Speedway before.
But that was just Southlake, right?
Yeah. So I wonder if it's gonna be way. See, last time it wasn't that, like with the cars over there, it wasn't that crowded or busy. I went on my bike last night.
Oh, really? I brought my drone. Yeah.
You know, last time me and my buddy Juan were in the car and we ended up at the, at the front of the stoplight.
Mm-hmm.
And I was like, hey, put on the timer. Let's see what the 0 to 60 is. I freaking rip it. Good launch on green. As I say 60, I look over and it's double digits, and I'm like, delete it, bro, delete it.
delete it. What exhaust is on your car?
It's got headers.
Well, it's got headers, okay.
A cat, and then a Borla.
Oh, okay. I think we have to park in the grass or something. I forget where.
Cars and Coffee, let's just follow this Mustang. We'll hit something.
Oh, yeah.
Corvette. Oh, dude. What I'd kill to have one of those. Just the old one, too. C5.
You could probably buy one, right?
Yeah, they're like over 10 times.
Huh?
They're around the same price as a CTSV or like a G8. And I think I'd rather like one of those. Yeah,
Oh.
that's the one I'm doing.
So is the event in there, or is it like over there?
Honestly, I think we should go left.
Go back?
Left.
Oh, left.
Oh, there's a dirt track. I think this is a staging area.
There's some cars in there.
I have a feeling that we're very far because look,
Oh, really?
No, we hit 50.
Oh.
But speed limit is 35. That is 45, so I thought it was supposed to. Oh yeah, look over here. 8. 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
Should be a parking lot across. Alright, this audio is for the viewers. I'm pulling up next to a Ferrari and he wants to race me, man. Oh no.
Oh, pothole.
I actually beat the Ferrari.
You beat the Ferrari? Yeah.
360 but didn't. You can't see it because we went.
We dusted it.
There's some dust.
Whoa, there's a huge dust cloud.
Hot rod? I don't want to go here. We're off-roading the Miata. We should have went that way. See where it's going.
Yeah.
But I think it's kind of fun to do this, so. Maybe a
They're going 2 miles an hour. I'm gonna bring my whole backpack with me to if I want to use the drone. Bunch of bikes. Huh. Oh, they're coming in. Your bike.
That's what I brought last time.
Yeah.
I like that.
Dude, the little RC car, no way.
Who's driving? Oh, he has it. He drives a real Focus.
Who?
The guy who's whipping the RC car.
Oh, really?
He's the red one on the right.
Oh, him. Oh.
What do you want to look at?
I wonder if there's more over there. This is gate 1. Oh. Gate 1. Oh, shit. Never mind. I thought it went farther.
That's where all the free stuff is. We can really get free stuff.
Free stuff?
Got the rally sport there.
Yeah. So sad the Focus is discontinued. Ooh, that's a mean I'm fine.
Look at the quality. It's not good.
What happened to you, bruh?
Or it's the app. It's not the phone.
What is an A5 Cabriolet doing? As a show car.
It's clean.
It is clean, yeah. It's kind of. This is nice. I like the white interior.
I wish it was a manual.
Oh, is it not manual? Oh, it's not. Unfortunate. a scare, bro. It's cool Genesis though. With the
Yeah, once it's painted, it would be nice.
once it's painted.
I mean, I'm sure.
I mean, all the panels look good. Like all the paint looks good on it. But the maroon looks nice on it, but like, that paint looks good. The Chuck E. Cheese mobile, no way.
Look at that Mustang.
Whoa.
We don't have
SF90, the red interior. Bespoke. It's a nice car, dude. Unfortunately, there's not much else besides that. Yo.
They may want to take the water bottle out. There you go. Once you get strapped in, that's where you get to be for the next 2 hours.
Well, that's that. We have our own racetrack, dude. One last rip, I guess.
One last rip.
One last rip.
You got some time. Still a green light. Oh, actually, we need all the horsepower.
I like the new balancer thing.
Oh, the level? Yeah, I saw that. Oh, it's about to turn That was 60.
60 miles an hour is the speed limit. Let's go.
It was a bad launch though.